Good morning, children. Today is, what's today? Wednesday. Is today Wednesday? I don't know. I think so. For health today, we are doing Chapter 1, Lesson 4, Your Self-Concept. You make plans every week. You may plan a project. You may plan a report. You may even plan a party. A plan can help you reach a goal. A plan can help you develop a healthful self-concept. Healthful self-concept. Your self-concept is what you think about yourself. A healthful self-concept protects your mental and emotional health. Actions for a healthful self-concept. People who have a healthful self-concept behave in certain ways. Here is what they do. Show good character. Words and actions that show good character build a healthful self-concept. Showing good character allows others to respect you. Make responsible decisions. Follow the guidelines for making responsible decisions when making decisions. Choose actions for a healthy mind. Replace negative thoughts and feelings with positive ones. Work on your strengths and weaknesses. Develop an I can attitude by trying to do your best. Use your mind to solve problems. Read up on health topics. Form opinions based on what you read. Share these opinions with your family. Find healthful ways to express these opinions to help others make responsible decisions about their health. Practice life skills. Practicing life skills promotes and protects your total health. Set health goals. Achieving health goals gives you a sense of accomplishment. Practice healthful behaviors. When you practice healthful behaviors, you take care of yourself. This is a very short lesson, just so you guys know. Set health goals. Setting health goals helps you practice healthful behaviors and choose responsible actions. Health goals may be long-term or short-term. A long-term goal takes a long time to reach. A long-term goal may be to become physically fit or get better grades in school. A short-term goal is reached in a short time. It may help you work toward a long-term goal. A short-term goal may be to ride your bike for 1 week. 1 week straight? What do they mean by that? A short-term goal may be to ride your bike for 1 week. That's what it says. It may be to write your spelling words 5 times every day. Accomplishing many short-term goals can help you reach a long-term goal. A health behavior contract can help you reach either type of goal. Steps for making a contract are shown on the next page. After you write a health behavior contract, ask a responsible adult to review and approve it, then follow your plan to reach your goal. Okay, we're not going to do that. So, what I want to give my opinion on short-term and long-term goals is that sometimes we want things and they are very hard to reach, right? Some of us want to make straight A's, and that might be difficult for us. You can't just sit on the couch or in a chair and say, you know what, I'm going to make straight A's, and just say it and do nothing about it. If you say it and do nothing about it, you will not reach that goal. You can make your goal and say, this quarter, fourth quarter, third quarter, whatever, I'm going to make straight A's, or I'm going to get an A in math, or I'm going to get an A in reading. You can say those things, but without doing something about it, it won't happen. So, in my opinion, in order to reach a long-term goal, that's something really big, that takes a long time to do, you have to do short-term goals. You have to say, this week I'm going to read every day, or I'm going to study math 5 times out of the 7 days this week, or whatever it is. Maybe your big long-term goal is to, probably something with sports. I'm trying to think of something with sports. You think of your long-term goal is, could be with sports. My example is trying to make a certain team, right? By 6th grade, you are going to be able to try out for teams. I think there is a baseball team, if I remember correctly, in 6th grade, and you might know the other teams that you can try out for to make. Now, you have to try out for these teams, what I believe. You have to try out for the teams and not everybody makes them, right? I might be wrong, but that's what I think is true. And if you want to make that team, you can't just sit on the couch and say, I want to make the baseball team and do nothing about it. You have to work towards that goal, that I can attitude and that I can statement. I can make the baseball team. So, in my opinion, what works best for me and what works best for a lot of people is short-term goals to do that. This week, I'm going to practice hitting, because maybe hitting in baseball is my weakness. I'm going to practice hitting 3 times. Boom, 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 3 times. That's a short-term goal. You did that. The next week, you can do something else, right? So, long-term goals, big things, is what everybody wants. Everybody wants to be a millionaire or buy a Lamborghini, make the baseball team, make a beautiful cake, whatever. But we can't do that by just sitting on the couch and not doing it. We actually have to make those short-term goals to do it. Okay? I want you to remember that for the rest of your life when you want something, because whatever you want to do, whether it's become a doctor, be a millionaire, go to college, be a train conductor, you can do it. You have to do more than just say that you want to do it. You have to do something about it. And that's what this whole chapter is talking about. Okay? I don't really feel like asking the questions today. I don't think the questions are very great for this lesson, to be honest. I think this lesson was pretty short and kind of odd. So just take what I said, and I want your homework for this health lesson is think of a long-term goal that you want, okay? Think of something that you want. It can be anything. It can be a job you want when you're an adult. It can be something you want when you're an adult. It can be something you want when you're in middle school. It can be something you want this summer. And I want you to think of ways that you can get to that, right? Think of something that you can do to achieve that. That's what I want you to do. And you can write it down, and you can write it down and put it somewhere in your room where you will see it every day, and you will think about it, and you might even do it. That's what I want you to do. Has to be something healthful. Has to be something that follows family guidelines. Has to be something that's appropriate. All of those things, okay? I do these things. I do these things too because there's lots of things that I want. So that's your Wednesday lesson. I'll show you Macy now because she's sitting right here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Baby girl. The baby's here. Can you say hello? Here, sit there. Oh, she's pushing the computer. Are you saying hi? Are you saying hi, Miss Macy? Are you saying hi? Look at them. Don't look at me. They want to see you, and we're apparently we're going to show my whole kitchen when you push the computer. All right, you guys. We will catch you on the flippity flip. I'll put her down. And I will see you tomorrow. If you have any questions about anything, let me know. I am looking at plans for next week, trying to figure some stuff out that will be easily accessible for you and won't be too difficult in the areas of reading. As for math, right now, just work on those worksheets. And she's trying to get up on the table. I will figure it out and let you know. Okay? Bye, guys.